This is a set of 4 new hopper cars. These are Walthers Mainlines. I got these at Nick's Model Trains in Thomasville, North Carolina. I'm going to show you one of these up close as soon as these 4 get by. More specifically, these are Trinity 4750 3-bay covered hoppers for Southern Railway. This is car number 88117, and it's just going to show you these. The weight on these cars is just excellent. They really did a nice job by putting the weights in that you could really tell they've done a great job, and the painting for a mainline car is just fantastic. They've got these lower 36-inch wheels that are metal. These lower chutes have all been marked with various things. I don't know how close I can get to these without making them distorted. Kind of hard, the autofocus feature. But very impressive cars. There's some detail on that underside piece. That's the sheer underside of the car. These come with their PRONOUCE couplers, which are basically copies of Katie's number 5s. They're all metal. I typically leave them on. I know a lot of people that prefer number 5 Katie's versus like number 58 158s that have the scale heads. Here's the end of the car. Show the road number and the make, or the road number and the railroad. But that's the side that does not have the brake wheel. Now on the brake wheel side, looks like you got a pretty good selection to show. See if I can get that a little bit better. Bumping into stuff back here. So pretty good display of everything. Nice brake wheel. Some plumbing coming from those pieces down there. But all in all, a very nice car. I'll get a weight for you real quick. So using my U.S. Postal scales, looks like we've got, let me do this upside down, it'll be a lot easier. Wow. 5.1 ounces. That's very surprising. That I think weighs even more than the Intermountain car up here I pulled out to take a comparison in weight. But all in all, a great car. I think I paid $30 a piece for them, which I thought was very reasonable. I'm not trying to become a Walthers only person, but Walthers he's been having some awesome stuff in their mainline series. Just wanted to show everybody these. Hope everybody's doing okay. Take care.